Hello, learners. My name is Masibulele Mqolo. Let me welcome you on One Coach Academic Partners. So, today is our part 4 of our grade 12 revision. We are in November 2022. We are revising the question paper, that is your paper 1. So, we already did introduction, part 1, part 2, and part 2 and part 3. So if you haven't watched our previous videos, just go back and watch our part 1, part 2 and part 3, because as we are continuing, there will be information that will be referring you back from our previous sessions. So today we will be starting from other incomes and up to operating profit. We are going to focus on expenses. So if you have any questions that you would like to ask, please feel free to send me an email, to send me a WhatsApp. The other thing that I want to emphasize is that our videos, if you watch us from YouTube, sorry, from TikTok, specified for 10 minutes, are limited to 10 minutes, are limited to 10 minutes on TikTok. So you'll find that my video is up to 20 minutes. Then if you want a full video, you can follow me on YouTube. There are full videos on YouTube. If you are watching us from TikTok and you are interested to have a full video, just go to YouTube and search my name, Masibulele Mqolo. Then you will find my videos. All the video that I've just posted on TikTok are also available on YouTube. So as we've said today that we are going to focus on our operating expenses, let us move to the question that I have prepared. So as you can see, I have just cut the information from your answer sheet and then put here, and then there is an information from trial balance. This is the information from trial balance, and then there is an information from additional information. All this information that I've extracted is going to assist us in calculating our operating expenses. So if you can look at your answer sheet, you should have downloaded the question paper on Department of Basic Education. All question papers are there and the memos are there. All previous question papers, grade 12 previous question papers are on the website for Department of Education, www.education.gov.za. You will find all the previous question paper for all the subjects. So we are focusing on accounting. So now we are in November 2022. Also the answer sheet is there. So if you can look at your answer sheet, all this information that I've extracted, you are given sales, cost of sales up to gross profit. That is your given information up to gross profit. So the other information that is already given on your answer sheet is director's fees, audit fees, and also the operating profit is already given, and gross operating income is already given. So here on other expenses, before you can even go and look what are your expenses for the month, you know that gross operating income less other expenses, other operating expenses, is equal to operating profit. So you are given operating profit of how much? 575,000. So this amount was originally this 3,890,000, but deducted until it was 575,000. 75,000. So what was your operating expenses, which was deducted from your gross income, gross operating income? Let us calculate it first before we can even, these are the free marks that you need to take it before you can even do other calculations. So this amount was 3,809,000. Now it is 575. So we are going to take that 3 million of gross operating income and deduct this operating profit and see what were the expenses. And you can say expenses were in brackets, so expenses are in brackets, were 3,315,000. We took this gross operating income here and then we deducted this gross operating profit, and then we have 3,315,000. Let us prove if we take this 3,809,000 and less this 3,315,000, is going to give us this 575,000. Let's go. Let's deduct 3,890,000. Yes, it gives us this 575. So you already got this mark just for free. You didn't even have to think. You already got this marks because this one is given on your answer sheet and this one is given as well on your answer sheet. So we already calculated other operating incomes, yes, on our part 3. Just look at our videos part 3. It will show you we already calculated this 200,000. And then gross profit is given on your answer sheet. So you take this gross profit, then you add this gross operating, then it gives, this one is already given even on your answer sheet. You get our gross operating income. So let us now go to our additional information. Audit fees are already given. Then we go to salaries. Here is information for salaries. All details in respect of the February 2022 salary of an employee were incorrectly debited to the sundry expenses account. The following information relates to his salary. The net salary is 11,525. Payee SARS 3,235. Pensions fund 990. The business contributes 2 rand for every 1 rand deducted on pension, meaning that every 1 rand here on pension, the business will pay 2 rands. So to calculate your salaries, here your salaries are given here on your trial balance. We have 1,381,500. This information was not included on salaries. It was incorrectly included on sundry expenses. So we need to include it here. It should be here, this information. 11,2,5. Sorry, it's not 11,2,5. 11,525, 525, and then plus 3235, 3235, and then plus 990, plus 990. And then we are told that every 1 rand contributed on pension fund, business contribute 2 rand. So plus, let's say 2 rand multiplied by how many rands in 990? There are 990 rands, 990 rands here. So 990. So 2 multiplied by 990. So the business contributed 1,980. And then we add this one, and we are going to have our salaries. Plus 990 plus 3235 plus 11,525 plus 1,381,500. So for salaries we have 1,399,230. We go to our answer sheet. We put 1,399,230. 230. So we are done with our salaries. So now let's move to security expenses. Security. Security expenses on trial balance we have 72,500. Let us go to the additional information. The business signed, here is our additional information. Sorry. The business signed a contract with Always Safe Securities for guarding the premises. An annual premium of 34,500 for the period ending 31 March 2022 was paid in full on 1 August 2021. So we have a period where we are paying our securities. Our securities are not paid according to our accounting period. We know our accounting period ends on 28 February, or it depends, or on 29 February. But it's at the end, our financial year end is February. Now we are told that the securities are paid on 1 March up to July the following year. Or on 1 August, sorry, not March, on 1 August up to the following year. So now this 72,000 also include the amount from March 2022 up to July 2022, of which this is out of our accounting period. We should have paid from August to February, and then we include the previous. So this amount that you are going to take it out, the others will be preparing financial statements next year. They will take this amount we are taking out, and also the other amount that will be paid again on August up to July, and then they deduct the amount from March up to July 2024 to 2025. I hope you are hearing me here. So now our accounting period ends on on February 2022. So anything beyond, we are going to take out, so that the guys who are preparing financial statements next year, they will take from that amount we just took out now. So here we are told that this amount is 32,400. So it's for 12 months, from 1 August to July 2021 to July 2022 is 12 months. So let's calculate how much is monthly. So 32,400 divided by 12. So monthly 32,400 divided by 12 months. Is equal 2,700. So it's 2,700 per month. So what is it that the amount that we don't want? We say our accounting period ends on February 2022. So anything beyond February, we should take it out. So we say March, April, May, June, July, which means it's 5 months. It's March, April, May, June, July, 5 months. So let's multiply this monthly rental by 5 months. Multiplied by 5 months. And then is equal times by 5 months. 13,500. That's the money that we don't want. We should take it out from this 72,500. So for security expenses, we are going to deduct 13,000. I'm going to take this 72,500 and deduct this 13,500, and then we are left with less 72,500. 72,500. 59,000. So our securities is 59,000. Security expense 59,000. We already calculated. If you that is why, since I was saying you must go back and watch our previous videos. We already calculated the part of the inventory that was stored, that was damaged in part 1. So you're gonna need to go back and watch our previous videos on how we calculated our deficit. So it was 47,515. Also the depreciation for the year, we already calculated our depreciation in part 2. You're gonna need to go there and see how we calculated our depreciation, and then it was 3,579,900. as well as loss on sale of a vehicle. We already calculated loss on sale, and it was, you must go to our part 2 of our videos again and see how we did calculated our loss on sale. And then it's 4,500. It was 4,500. So how about the sundry expenses? So even on your trial balances is given as a question mark, it should be the balancing amount here. We already know what are the expenses there. Already calculated our expenses. So we are going to take that amount of expense, the total expense, and deduct all these expenses and see what is the balancing figure. That will be our sundry expenses. So we take that 3,315,000 that we've calculated, and then we deduct directors fees of 1,110,24. We deduct 83,000 of audit fees. We deduct the salaries that we've calculated, 1,399,230. We deduct the 59,000 of securities, 59,000 of securities, and then we deduct deficit of 47,515. We deduct depreciation we calculated of 357,900. We deduct the loss on sale of 4,500, and then we are left with 239,855. Our sundry expenses are 239,855. 855. So we are done with our today's session. So if you have any questions, you want me to clarify for you, you can send me a WhatsApp, you can send me an email. We can see how we're going to meet. We can meet virtually if you are far. We can meet virtually and discuss with you. If you are around, we can try to make means so that we can meet. Thank you for watching our videos. Please subscribe and like our videos and share to your friends and families. Tell others that they are also studying with, that there is a help that they can get from me. Thank you. See you in our next session. Bye.